All right, hello kindergarten students, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. This is our last day before holiday break. So we are on chapter 3, lesson number 5, and we are going to watch a video.
Numbers 18 and 19. Let's take this a few letters as a kid. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
It ends right there.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 19 versions. For the math, choose telephonics and have them account. How should our last one happen? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 letters. Oranges for the math. There should be only 19 oranges. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Who has 19 oranges? Choosing for 19 is one more than 18.
Okay, so today's lesson is numbers 18 and 19. Our essential question is, how can I show numbers beyond 10? Okay, we are doing math at the playground today. So we are on numbers 18 and 19, and this is page 205 of your workbook. All right, so it asks us to place counters in the 10 frames to show numbers 18 and 19. Say how many, trace the number, and trace the counters to show 19. I think I'm going to have to make this just a little bit smaller so that we can see the whole page. So let me go down. Okay. All right, and let's get out our tools so that we can show counters for 19. All right, so here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, do you know how many more I'll need? I'll need 9 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Do you notice how it's 1 less and the next one is 20? All right, so now we're going to use the writing tools and we're going to write the number 19. So it is made with a 1 and a 9. What I call the loop and the line makes a 9. Okay, let's go to our next page. Okay, we are at the top of page 206, and this is the See and Show. So we've got apples this time. How many apples? Looks like we have 18 apples. So we are supposed to count them, but instead of counting them, I'm going to do this. I'm going to use my writing tool, and I'm going to circle this group of 10, because we know, I've been telling you that this is 10 no matter what. If you still want to count it, you can. And then over here, we have 8 leftover ones. So that is what we call 18. One group of 10 and 8 leftover apples make 18. One group of 10 and 8 apples. One group of 10 and 8 apples. All right, let's go to our next problem. Okay, we are on number 2, and this is also the See and Show. And look how many we have. Now we have one more than we did last time, so that makes it 19. All right, it looks like we're counting some oranges. So what I want to do again is let's take our writing tool, and I want you to circle that because I want you to know that that is always 10. 10 when you filled it all in. And we have one less than 10, so that's a 9. So over here, go ahead and circle your 9. And I'm going to change to the medium-sized line as we write 19. A 1 and a 9. A 1 and a 9. A 1 and a 9. And that's called 19. All right, let's go to our next problem. Okay, this time we have pairs, and again, we really don't have to count each one, but if you're more comfortable counting each one, you can. I am going to circle, use our E-tools here, actually my writing tools, and I'm going to just circle that first group, which is 10 pairs, and we already know that that's 10 because every single box is filled in, and it equals 10. And here we have 2 less than 10, 10, 9, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and circle those pairs, and that means that we have a group of 1 and 8 leftovers, which makes it the number 18. Make your S and then don't wait. Go back up and close the gate. All right, we are ready now to go to your on your own. Okay, now we have pairs, and these are green pairs. And on your own, it's asking you to count the objects, say how many, use your mat and counters to show if you want to use your counters, you can, or you can just count them by pointing and counting, or you can do our trick, which is circle your group of 10 and add your ones. Trace the number 3 times, say how many, and on number 6, you're going to trace the number 3 times and then say how many, and then we want you to draw circles to show that number. All right, so you're on your own on these, so go ahead and complete 4, number 5, and number 6 on your own. And I'll see you on the back page for problem solving. Okay, number 7 for problem solving says trace the number, draw more in the 10 frame to show that number, trace the number for number 8. I'm going to skip that till we get to number 8. Okay, so we have 19 here, so let's go ahead and take out your writing tool, and you're going to write 19 first. And you know that 19 is a group of 1 and 9 extra ones. And we're going to draw more to show 19. So we already know that we have 10. Remember that this right here is our group of 10, 10 kernels of corn. And we're going to make 9 more. So I'm just going to use a circle to make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Don't fill in that last one because that would be the number 20. Okay, let's go to our next problem. Okay, our last problem is asking us to count the counters and then make more to show the number 18. So first of all, let's go ahead and write our number 18. I'm going to use my nice thick line here. 1 and an 8 left over. All right, so we actually need to do the 8 left over because we already have our group of 1 group of 10, I mean. So here's our group of 10 already, and we're going to make 8 more to make it say 18. So that would be 9. That will be 10, 11. So 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right, boys and girls, we are all finished for our lesson for today. And I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season. I'm excited to have a little bit of time off. And so everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and have a Merry Christmas.